Okay, today we're going to do an assignment called Rhythm Values Hidden Picture Reveal. When you open this assignment, yours will look a little different than mine. You'll click over here where yours will say My Document. When you click on My Document, it's going to open a screen that will look like this. First thing you should do is go up and change the settings so that it's a little bit bigger and easier to see. The directions say to fill in the answers below to reveal the hidden picture. And over on this side, I've listed different rhythm names, such as whole note, half note. What I'd like you to do is tell me how many beats that rhythm lasts. So you have to click on the box next to it. A whole note lasts for 4 counts. I'll type that in, and then I'll go to the next box down. And when I do, as you can see over here, part of the screen fills in with color. As I answer more of these with the correct answer, you will see more of the boxes color in with different shades. Now, some of the boxes will stay white, but you need to make sure that you have the correct. Once you have filled in all of these boxes, you'll have a complete picture on this side of the screen. You will then go back to Schoology and click on Submit Assignment. That's how you do a hidden picture reveal. Have fun!